These next two are just fun little exercises to do. This is a slow version of running on the spot. As they sometimes do in martial arts, they, instead of having you hop and skip on the spot, they have you do this really slowly. I didn't ask him to put his hands like that, but I think that's how he's getting his balance. We have to have the feet active, one by one. And it's fun to work with your wonky feet, keep your feet active, breathing, keeping his balance. It's like I said, the slow version of standing on the spot, walking on the spot, stepping on the spot, running on the spot. Just keep the ocean breath going and the shoulders down and the feet active. I forget what they're going to do now. I think they keep doing this. Yeah. Yeah. Now they're going to start doing some agonist-antagonist, arm against knee, hand against knee, knee against hand. And that wakes up psoas muscle, hip muscles. And as I see him doing with his hands, it helps him keep his balance. And don't forget this agonistic, antagonist. Now when you do it on the front going down your weight, you're actually activating the psoas muscle. So anytime you can find a chance to do agonist, antagonist, like they do in yoga, you push one body part against another. And you do this lying on the floor, you could do it in the bath, you could do it in the bed. Fun.